Welcome back to manufacturing. This is week something, and we're going to be talking about everyone's favorite, additive manufacturing. You know, not as big a fan of it as everyone else. It's a little trendy right now. It's pretty new, but additive manufacturing is basically just adding material instead of taking away or changing it. So you usually start with a variety of materials. Today in the lab we have some of our favorites, ketchup and horseradish mustard, and we're going to see if we can manufacture this little pattern. So you can use a lot of different models and shapes. When you're doing 3D printing, you're just adding different layers continually to make the shape. So we're going to do a pretty simple one, just like that. So let's see if we can get it rocking. Oh no. And that's additive manufacturing. So we could just keep adding up more and more to make it a very 3D model. But it looks like Kermita wants some of it. So we'll see you later.